I don't know. I just feel like I should be vlogging. Got the camera and I should be vlogging. Feel off. Completely off. It's October 8th. I'm on vacation in a couple days, but I cannot get excited for it. I don't know, something about this time just always seems off. It's my birthday month, and I just don't want to feel off. Like I've been feeling off since I don't know. We're gonna thug it out. We have vacation in a couple days. Okay? Okay. What's up, vlog? All right, blunts, bro. Let's spark this shit. Ooh, let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Top of the morning. Top of the morning.
It makes us feel important that she sees it. Miss Joanne always has the brightest smile. She makes him feel at home.
I asked him, what is it that you need today, Joseph?
Frita Rico, sweet as well.
We're friends, and I love him.
She talks to him directly, just making sure he's heard.
Let's
it
go
makes
steal my
his
brother-in-law
day a
Bello.
lot easier.
If I could make him smile every day.
He gonna say something about it. I just know it. We're gonna have to send him some money to get him another one. But I'm home alone on this Monday, marvelous, marvelous Monday morning. And I feel like I should grab it. It is kind of weird. It's kind of hidden. No, there's nothing in there. So it's like, should I grab it? Cause it's hidden back there. Decisions. Janky decisions. There's a beer on their counter though. I ain't gonna take it. I wanna take it. I wanna take it so bad. I want it so bad. I'm gonna take it. Let's smoke. Ooh, I want it so bad. Okay. Fuck it with
greater than your bipolar 1, and you can help take control of your symptoms.
I got y'all. The way I got y'all up there.
Some medicines only treat the lows or highs.
Ciao.
Treats depressive, acute manic, and mixed episodes of bipolar.
I need to get a tripod, but
relief for all bipolar 1 symptoms. And in Vraylar clinical studies, most saw no substantial impact on weight.
I need a car.
Increased risk of death.
I can't get anywhere. I need a charger for this battery. I need a tripod. I need to go to the beauty supply and get me some braiding hair.
Stiff muscle relaxation, which may mean a life-threatening reaction, or uncontrollable muscle movements, which may be permanent. High blood sugar, which can lead to lower death, weight gain, and high cholesterol may occur. Movement dysfunction and restlessness are common side effects. Sleepiness and stomach issues are also common. Side effects may not appear for several weeks. Ask about Vraylar and learn how AbbVie could help you save.
This is a paid advert compensation. Visit forthepeople.com or call the number on your screen now. Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm. Do not stop taking prescribed medication.
Looking like a humpback whale.
What's this?
That's not nice. That wasn't nice.
Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
What you reading?
a book on relationships?
All right, see you later.
I have a question. If I died...
up YouTube. I'm gonna make an intro for real. But it is, where's my phone? It is Wednesday, October 11th. Leave for Puerto Rico, October 12th, 6 a.m. So, let's get this party started. Puerto Rico. For me? Yes. Girl, look at you. Look at them sleepy heads. Right. I ain't been to see no. Not for real? I'm trying to say my bad. Right.
Like,
I can see us.
Cause we in Puerto Rico. Let me go live. Like,
I'm trying to wait till we get like where I can see the streets.
we in Puerto Rico.
Say, girl, you look cute. You look cute, my camera. Hello. Right. Thank God for Uber. Look at these ones. It is. Oh, okay.
No, but it's bad on the other bed.
This the perfect thing. Okay, I'm gonna put music over this. Who the fuck finna be cooking? That's a small ass stove.
But I could cook some crab legs on that hoe.
Yes, you can.
Look, they time. Bitch, it come with supply.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Give us a fork and a spoon.
Bitch, I got a cool bag. And some shot glasses.
A fork and a spoon and we good. And they gave us shot glasses.
Look, and wine. Look, Pedro.
Wine? Oh, that was cute. You can make cocktails. I'm sitting down. I like the bathroom in the mirror.
I'm loving this part.
Yeah.
That's why I'm gonna come take me. They each got a window, you know, it's on the beach. So.
Right, we on the beach. But yeah.
Like, she ain't got a job, but he ain't got a job. He got to understand.
Boom, boom.
Oh no, we
This
going
is
to
cute.
Whoa, don't, he gotta go. No, my baby going. He gotta go. Paige, we gotta do this and wear with the twins. Bitch, we outside tonight. Hold.
Look at the popos.
Babe, I'm finna throw that little swimsuit on with that little booty piece. I ain't bring no sandals to go with them hoes.
I ain't get no sunscreen, but that's why I go through it. It's hot. Wow.
We might have to pay for them motherfuckers here.
Nah, man, don't you start that bullshit.
Okay, baby.
Cause we in Miami.
What she
I mean,
said,
no.
We in Miami.
Miss
We in
Ray.
Miami.
We're not in Miami.
Bitch, we not in Miami.
In Puerto Rico.
That is what I is.
Wow. Yo, this is beautiful.
What we finna do?
This is. Oh, okay.
Cause I'm Margaret in Puerto
Look
Rico.
at you. Oh, yep. You on camera? Cute. Yeah, you do look cute. This outfit is cute. I like this outfit. Okay, I'll stop. Oh, I'm finna record everything. I can take pictures, but we're gonna have to do them. I'm not the best drunk.
That's a child.
You ain't got $5.
Baby, I'm finna pay $5.
Bitch, you better roll that shit up because he got his blood.
Like, what the fuck? It's my birthday.
How you know that?
Because I'm from, I used to live in Atlanta.
Dallas, baby.
Atlanta.
D-Town.
I understand, but he from Atlanta.
But I'm from
Dallas.
because we out here in Puerto Rico. Finna turn up a
We in Carolina? Where are we?
I'm having fun regardless. Hey.
But like, what's the state?
Hey! Oh, we gonna be in the shade.
Oh, I fist too, baby. Scorpio! Yeah. Right here? I'm sorry. I mean, we can do it right here.
Could I get on one of them zooming things out there?
Girl, they probably text. For real.
Scorpio! Look, my cousin Scorpio.
No.
Cause we out here in Puerto Rico.
No.
With the Scorpio. Hey. Cousin, you sexy. Get me, cousin. Sexy black.
Wait, I got you zoomed.
Look, fuck a sexy red and sexy black.
You know what I'm talking about? These pants are real cute with this belly thingy.
It's giving.
You don't look that age.
Yeah, it's giving real island, bitch.
It's giving. I'm an island girl. How the boy say? Island girl.
Not them gables.
Them gay brothers. Why is they like
Yeah,
that?
I don't know.
Kissing.
I want to go see how that water feel.
I'm supposed to go out there. So get that picture out for me. So you got to there on the wall.
I need a blunt. I'm gonna hit what he hitting, bro. What you talking about?
Some water. Kissy.
Alright. Camera's so bright. This. My God. It feels amazing. Feels good. Right. It feels great. Boy. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I went too far. That water is warm. It's like, woo. That water feels great. I got it. I'm recording. Wait, I'm recording. She can't throw the water on my motherfucking mouth.
That shit was finna push me.
Okay. Hey! 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 Hey!
This water's so funky. God damn, this water feels good. This water feels good.
So, for the room.
Yes, we paid for the room.
I'm recording everything.
That girl gonna make me feel good.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Ooh, that shit smell good.
Right, I smelled him when we got in his van.
Give me some little tape just to smell a little piece. That shit smell really good.
It was high as hell.
How much was it?
$70 for 2 of those tubes.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes. That's what I said. Mom said, just get it. Girl, what the hell?
Better break that shit up all the way then.
Right, I need a grinder.
Better grind, better pinch that shit here, put that up, baby. Better pinch that shit till you can't pinch no
It
more.
really was. Is it mine? Who drank?
I don't know who drank that is.
Is that mine? I think that's mine.
What the other ones at?
You want this? Is this the last one?
Okay, give me that. I need to put on my swimsuit because I'm going to get
You do need to put on because that water feels amazing. It's not cold like
not cold,
Miami.
it ain't.
Miami water be cold as hell.
But see, I got
That water feel good.
I'm trying to go get my swimsuit and come on out.
But they need to come on with our room. Well, they got 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm waiting for them. He said, why you ain't got your swimsuit on? Shit, I got a full body swimsuit, got flowers and stuff. That's cute, but I'm going to go get me another one.
It's a
full
whole
body
bunch.
swimsuit,
Yeah. It's windy. This is gonna be. I'm rolling a blunt in Puerto Rico. What the fuck is you talking about?
There you go. And my homegirl told me, Miss B, you didn't get your hair done. Hair not for what? I'm getting out there this motherfucker.
What y'all talking about?
If I had got a bob or anything else,
It would have sweated as soon as we got out here.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get this motherfucking water and play with it.
Yep.
I could have got braids, but I just didn't have time because I work at too fair and my job. I didn't have that. Fuck it.
No time.
Don't nobody know me out here. Shit, fuck it.
I'm gonna get drunk. They ain't been on vacation forever. And they got everything out here. Just everywhere.
Everything right on the strip.
Right.
Ice cream too. Goddamn what's this? And you know we can walk our way down.
We had went to the little CVS. It wasn't too far.
It wasn't.
It got so much food places down there. Was the United States food places like CC's
But
and
you know
Pizza
we
Hut.
gotta try some of their food too.
It's this Mexican restaurant right at the bottom of our hotel that's happy hour all day.
Nah, I don't know about that.
It's happy hour all day.
And then they said some Chinese food, Mexican, Puerto Rican food around here somewhere.
I want to try it.
I got the girl, my phone is gone for real. I just came to walk by and grab my shit.
Where? And then turn it on thinking I'm pressing record, but I'm pressing the
you,
on
me,
switch.
you and her, she vibe.
Vibes. I lost my glasses in the ocean. I'm blind as a bitch. I'm using this fucking vlog camera to see. Bear with me now, bear with me. You want to see? Horrible. A bit. Boom, 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 boom. Rico with the frogs. The fuck down. Right. I don't know how to turn this thing off. Ooh, I'm gonna have to put y'all up because I'm tipsy and I'm dropping y'all. And I'm not trying to break my fucking camera. Not at all.
I'm finna leave this bitch at the house. Unfortunately. It's the ocean though. Right. Be sucking. What's up?
This the song I'm gonna put on our pictures. Y'all hear this? Put this song on our pictures. This is how we roll.
Cute.
How we roll.
Don't act like you get us. It's my birthday on Sunday. I ain't doing shit. Y'all feeling yourself? Y'all look cute?
Oh, goddamn, you got it on camera. Right. Did you see me be out there posing?
I saw both of y'all, all y'all.
Right. We were like pose.
I don't do pictures, that's why they go out there. I don't do pictures either. I don't know how to do pictures.
Me either, Sage, me faking
I
the
don't.
goddamn boat because I don't know how to do.
Yes. We did. We did. I'm so irritated. I want to say something so bad.
I don't think I'm gonna hold it in. I think I'm gonna still say something.
I want to. Hey. Get us on camera, but that's it.
Papagaio e viu só criminoso rico. Passou no palmital e viu só criminoso rico. Passou na mãe dos pobres e viu só criminoso rico. Passou lá na Ventosa e viu só criminoso rico. Vai, joga, joga a bunda pros amigos. Vai, joga pros envolvidos. Vai, joga a bunda pros bandidos. Vai, joga, vai.
Cachaça, fez loucura pra caramba e diz que a culpa é da cachaça. Ai, caralho, piranha fode que passa. Ai, caralho, piranha fode que passa. GW que tá cantando, arrebentando com as safadas. Fez loucura pra caramba e diz que a culpa é da cachaça. Ai, caralho, piranha fode que passa. Ai, caralho, piranha fode que passa.
Ela passou no papagaio e viu só criminoso rico. Passou no palmital e viu só criminoso rico. Passou na
I can't. I can't.